Alright, I'm going to show you how to make the origami flapping bird. You want to start with folding it diagonally. Crease, unfold. Do the same for this. When you have that, flip it over, fold it halfway like that, unfold it, fold it the other way. Unfold it. No, wait, never mind, don't. You have it like this. Push these corners together to make the preliminary base. Fold these like this, and this down, and do the same right here. Now, flip it over, undo all these, and petal fold this. Flip it over, fold this down like you did for the other side. Unfold everything, petal fold it again. Alright, now there should be something like this. You want to take this, these little flaps should be facing towards you. Put it on its side, open it like this, and put one of those flaps up in these other two. Crease it, and you want to pull it out. Alright, do the same for the other side. Alright, you're going to choose one side, and that's going to be your head. You want to fold it like this, and inside reverse fold, so the head should look something like this. Do not fold the wings directly down. Fold them diagonally towards the head. Do the same for the other side. And to flap it, you're going to hold the neck right here, then pull the tail. If yours does not fail, if yours does not flap, then you are a failure. Thank you for watching. Okay, seriously, how do you turn this thing off? Seriously, man.